guys, what's up? Today we're going to be making some more slime. This is slime time number 4. And so right now we are going to be just making slime. Now I'm going to tell you the ingredients, so let's go. So here are the ingredients. Some glue, yeah, some glue, yeah, okay. And then we have some borax. Now we have to add into water, but we haven't done that yet. And then we have some lotion. And then we have a laminate. We have our fork. Yeah. I don't know why I'm so ready for that. We have hand soap. Yeah, hand soap. Yeah, hand soap. And then we have some cornstarch. Corn starch. Then we have shaving cream. This is gonna make it fluffy. And yeah, let's get right into
it. Okay.
What?
But.
So let's do this. I'm not glue. This has been open in a long time. So we're gonna make. Here's our container. Container. Okay. I'm just gonna add that in. Okay, that's enough. I'm adding in a lot. Oh, you know what, guys? I forgot something. The most important thing ever. I'll be right back. So I forgot the food coloring. Almost the most important part. So we're gonna actually have that for later. But so we have our glue, I guess, and we are going next. We are going to be adding in. It really doesn't matter, but I'm just gonna add in the shaving cream. So shake. Okay. Also, before I go anywhere else, make sure you go see our other slime videos. Slime number 1, slime number 2, slime number 3. Yeah. Put that in the shaving cream. We're gonna tower shaving cream. Okay. That's probably enough. If it's not, then we'll add in more. Make this up. I'm gonna make blue, but I'm gonna add like something else to make it a different color, I guess. But I don't know. Maybe I might just keep it this color. Or I might just add in purple. Or I don't know. Now that it's all mixed in, now I'm going to be adding in some cornstarch. Actually, no, I'm gonna add in some hand soap right now. So let's add that in. Okay, next ingredients. So that is gonna be this, some lotion. It's really disgusting, but it's the best we're gonna get probably. So then we're gonna add in color after this, and then pour out some water. For the color. The color. Okay, anyways, let's see the color. I really don't know what color to pick. Last slime time I picked blue. Then I picked like this one. And then I want to have like a total different color. But I have no idea what I want it to be. Maybe like a bright pink, but I don't know. Maybe I'll have it be like red or something. This one or a dark blue. I'm gonna have it be this one because I already have blue slimes. So let's add this in. It may make a purple because like there's already a little bit of blue. Oh, it's red. It's fine. It's still going to make like pink or something. This looks like Valentine's slime. It does. Mixing the color. You have to make sure you get all the like, I don't know, like non-color spots yet. Like you have to mix in all the color. If it's not, you just add like 2 more drops in or something. Okay, so I'm gonna activate it now. So I'm mixing up the activator and we're gonna add it in now. Let's see how this slime comes out. If you ever make slime, make sure you add in a little bit at a time. Because if you don't, then your slime might come out and fail. Ew. So in a minute, I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna add in a little more because it's kind of sticky. Okay, let's go with my hands. Oh, it's so. It's really sticky. I forgot to add in my cornstarch.
Too late now.
Yeah, it's too late. Anyways, we're just gonna keep going without that.
You need more water. Or
No,
something.
I don't. I need more acid. It's so sticky. Just not doing the whole activator. It looks like unicorn poop. Okay, the slime is coming out really good. It's kind of sticky. I still need to mix it a lot, maybe a little bit more activator. But yeah, the slime came out really good. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video when we post one. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!
Yeah.